Hey guys, Marcus from Street Text, and my question for you is, are you using video? Yes or no? And I'm just wondering, I'm curious, like who's using it? How are you using it? Are you doing it with social media? Are you doing it with Facebook? Are you doing it with Instagram? Are you using it with video email? With your listing presentations and the way you do communication? I am curious because I think the key in this business is everything is really moving in that direction, right? It's all about how you're becoming an influencer. Video marketing is basically the biggest trend at this point. Everybody's doing it. They just want to know how to do it well. And they're kind of just, I think a lot of realtors I find are mixed up in the thought process that it has to be a well-produced video. It has to be, you got to look good, you got to have your best clothes on, and you essentially got to say the right things. You're fearful of stumbling on your words, right? But what I'm finding is that what people really crave is the authenticity, is your personality. It's the likability factor. It's, you know, that you can go on there and stumble on your words, and it doesn't matter because we're all going to do that. No one's perfect, right? So my challenge to you is just do it, right? Let's jump on that Nike campaign. Just do it. But let's do it. Let's do it and practice. Get on Facebook Live, get on Insta Live, post videos, leverage social media, get in front of people. They want to meet you. They want to know you. That's what's going to connect with them, especially people that have never met before. And, you know, there are some cool things that I can teach you along the way. And if you're curious to know more, just message me or comment on this video. And yes, let me know. I am curious. Are you using video in your business? If yes, how? If no, why not? And let's start a conversation and let's get that going. Facebook Live is funny, right? Because sometimes you're going to have people tuning in. Some people, I mean, it's 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. So most of you are out and about doing something, or maybe at dinner on the East Coast. But hopefully this will find some of you and you'll be able to comment, and we'll get some feedback. And for future content, I just want to build my model, my solution all around the idea of tapping into Facebook and Instagram and meeting new people through the right type of ads, through the right type of capture, but more importantly, how do you start instant relationship and instant communication? And I think video is going to help you do that. I really, truly believe it. Anybody who has adopted that model has 10x the business. If you're ready to do that and you're ready to conquer those fears and you're someone who is willing to be taught, I'll teach you. Have an awesome day.